everybody! This is Mhelbeth Stable once again. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for all your love and support. And of course, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I'm gonna post a recipe in my channel. I'm so really excited today. Today we're gonna make one kind of dessert, and because this dessert is very famous in the Philippines, I will show you how to make this. Yes, today, this time, mangoes are in season. So, I will show you two kinds of recipe out of these mangoes. Don't you know that mangoes are full of vitamins and minerals that make your skin glow, close the pores and everything? So, guys, let's eat mango. Today, I will show you how to make a mango crepe cake and a mango jam. You can use this at home. Alright, here are the ingredients. Okay, so first we have to put and chop one big mangoes. Then we add 1/4 cup of water into the blender. Kung hinog na hinog nyo yung inyong mangga, pwede nyo na siyang i-mash. Pero sa akin kasi medyo hindi pa masyado siyang hinog. So, kailangan ko siya talagang i-blender. Pagka na-blender nyo na, iluluto natin doon sa ating pot. So, magpainit tayo ng ating pot. Then, ipo-pour out natin yung ating na-blender or na-mash na mango puree. Okay? And then, pakukuliin lang natin ito. Then, para sa healthier side, instead of using sugar, I will use honey. Okay? I'll put 1/2 cup of honey. So, put this on high heat. Okay? Then, halo-haluin lang natin siya. I use honey instead of sugar kasi ang honey ay sobrang dami rin ng vitamins sa atin, maidudulot sa ating katawan. So guys, kapag kumulo na yung ating jam, lalagay ninyo yung inyong stove sa low heat. Then, keep on stirring para maluto siya. Now, kapag medyo sticky na ng ganito, then, maglalagay tayo ngayon ng juice ng 1/2 lemon. So, continue natin ng stir hanggang siya maging sticky siya. Then, our jam will be good and tapos na yung ating mango jam. Hindi ko na guys pinakita sa inyo yung buong process ng pagluluto kasi once na kumulo siya, hininaan nyo na yung apoy. Halo lang kayo ng halo nito hanggang mailagay yung ating lemon juice at maging sticky na ganito. Guys, ang mango jam, you can store it in your refrigerator for about 3 weeks. But if you froze it, lagay nyo sa freezer, magtatagal ito ng hanggang 3 months. Without any preservatives. This is pure natural. And I use also honey para mas lalong healthy ang ating jam. Okay? Wow, sarap. Look at that. Okay. We're now gonna make our crepe butter. This is 2.5 cups of cake flour. So, isi-sift natin siya para yung buo-buo hindi mababasag lahat. Para maging maganda yung ating crepe cake. Crepe or crepe, it's okay. Medyo nalilito po ako. Pero it's either pwedeng i-pronounce ng crepe or crepe. Okay? Masarap ito guys. Lalo na sa Philippines, ang daming mangoes. Right? Ang tatamis pa. Then, I have here sugar. About 1/3 cup. So, lalagay natin to. and 6 pieces of eggs. So, 6 pieces of eggs. Ang paggawa ng crepe cake, hindi natin kailangan ng oven, guys. Very easy. Okay? So, I have here milk. 3 cups of milk, pero ilalagay lang muna natin unti-unti para hindi magbuo-buo yung ating cake flour. So guys, you can use any fresh milk. Kahit anong fresh milk, pwede ninyong gamitin. So, ito, na-mix ko na siya, nawala na rin yung mga lumps ng ating cake flour. Magiging ganito siya ka-liquidy kasi gagawa tayo ng crepe cake. Then, I have here 1/2 cup of salted butter. Kasi hindi na tayo maglalagay ng salt dito sa ating butter. So, lalagay natin, mag-iiwan lang tayo ng konti para sa ating paggawa ng crepe cake mamaya. Okay? Just a little bit, about 1 tablespoon ang maiiwan. So, yun ang gagawin natin parang mantika para sa pagkagawa natin ng ating crepe cake. Okay? So, let's set this aside and let's start cooking. Guys, ito na yung ginawa natin na butter kanina, pancake butter. Crepe cake butter. Okay, every time na kukuha kayo ng ilalagay nyo sa pan para iprito, is kailangan nating i-mix up ulit. Okay? So, katulad niyan, mini-mix up ko. Then, ang aking crepe pan is about 9 inches wide. Okay? It's too hot. Nag-try na ako ng isa. So, para alam ko yung sukat ng ating crepe cake. Kasi kailangan ito magiging just a thin layer. So, I use my measuring cup. This is a 1/4 cup. So, this is how you do it. I'll show you. Okay? So, medyo slant yung ating pan. Then, ibubuhos natin. Then, kailangan ipaikot natin ng ganon. Look at that. See? Oops! Ang gitna, lalagyan natin yung mga butas para matatakpan. There you go. Okay? Then, babalik natin dito sa ating pan. Then, let's wait. Pagka nagba-brown na yung gilid niya, meaning, pwede na natin siyang angatin. Guys, this is a little bit hot, so you need food grade gloves. I don't have gloves right now, so magtitiis ako na gagawa ng crepe cake ko na mainit. Pero that's okay. Alright. So, kailangan dito ang patience, ang tiyaga. Pero pagka nagawa ito, super sarap. So, like this, guys. Babaliktad lang natin siya ng ganyan. See? So beautiful. Then, lulutuin natin ulit yung kabilang side. So, ulitin lang natin yung proseso like that until matapos natin ang ating crepe butter. Okay? Good enough. You can transfer it. Kailangan huwag pagpatong-patungin agad. Palalamigin muna yung isa, then patungan yung isa. Then, imimix ulit natin yung ating butter. Then, we'll get 1/4 full. Then, slide natin ng ganon. Then, ipubuhos. Then, paikot. Okay? Come on. This is perfect. It's not perfect, but I can add a little bit to make it perfect. There you go. So, babaliktad ulit natin siya. Like that. Paulit-ulit lang natin siyang gagawin, guys, until we finish the batter. This one may be about around 25 pieces, okay? Yun ang gagamitin natin para sa ating crepe cake. Pagpatong-patongin natin later. Tapos na ako dun sa ating crepe cake. So, habang pinapalamig natin yun, gagawin na natin yung ating frosting. So, maglalagay ako rito ng isang box ng cream cheese. About 250 grams, I think. Right? Then, i-mix natin siya. And then, maglalagay na tayo ngayon ng ating whipped cream. Meron ako ditong about 4 cups ng whipped cream. Para, 3 cups lang. Para siguradong kakasya sa ating crepe cake. Okay? So, I'll make 3 cups. And then, i-whip lang natin siya hanggang maging stiff cake. Stiff cake. Okay guys, maglalagay tayo ng 1 cup icing sugar. And then, turn on natin ulit sa high speed. Okay guys, okay na yung ating whipped cream. Crepe cake kanina na ginawa. So, mag-a-assemble na tayo. So, maglalagay lang ako ng konti rito para dumikit yung ating crepe cake. And then, we'll put here. And, maglalagay tayo ng konting, kailangang manipis lang siya for our frosting. Okay guys, bago natin ituloy yan, kukuha muna tayo ng 1 tablespoon or 1.5. Imimix natin dito sa ating mango, yung ating mango jam. So, after nalagyan natin ito ng frosting, lalagay tayo ulit ng isa pang crepe cake. Crepe cake. And then, frosting ulit. Manipis lang siya. Okay, then, another one. Make sure, patong-patong na naka-center. Then, another one again. Saka tayo maglalagay ng ating mango filling. So, this is the third crepe, guys. So, then, I will put my mango filling. Make sure na manipis yung ating mango filling also. Okay, that's good enough. Then, we will put another crepe on top. Ulit-ulitin lang natin ang process, guys. Dalawang crepe, and then for the third one, saka tayo maglalagay ng ating mango filling. Okay? Hanggang matapos natin lahat ng ating crepe cake. Okay guys, natapos na nating ilagay lahat yung ating crepe. So, lalagyan ko na ito ng ating frosting para ma-decorate na natin siya. Okay guys, usually, ang crepe cake, hindi na nila nilalagyan ito ng icing na katulad nito. But, I want this to be extra special, kaya lalagyan natin siya ng decoration. So, I have here a roasted almond. Fry ko lang siya hanggang sa maging brown. Then, itatap lang natin dito sa side ng ating crepe cake. Like this. Para naman, meron tayong konting decoration. And besides, guys, almonds are really good for our health as well. And it's really very good blend with the mango. So, you have to try this. So, meron ako ditong mango, 4 na pisngi ng mango na in-slice ko siya ng sobrang nipis-nipis. So, ilalagay natin dito sa top ng ating cake. Okay, so beautiful, right? Lots of mangoes. Mangoes are good for you. Then, on the top, sprinkle the leftover roasted almonds. Perfect! This is so good. So, here it is, guys. My crepe cake mango with roasted almond. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you will always be updated every time I'm gonna make a new recipe in my channel. Enjoy eating your crepe cake.